This waterfall is so tall, the water almost never reaches the ground, rising higher than most skyscrapers. The water falls from a height of more than 900 meters. Because the drop is extremely long, much of the water breaks into mist before it touches the ground. The air around it stays wet and foggy most of the time. The waterfall is hidden deep inside a thick jungle and is hard to reach. Clouds, rain, and rough land make travel difficult. Very few people visit it each year compared to other famous waterfalls. This waterfall is Angel Falls in Venezuela. Follow for more amazing facts about our world.